Gail and Tara, how did this experience help you grow, and how was it different for you as attorneys dealing with Victor's case specifically?
Well, let me start. This is Gail, and I was the first, between Tara and me, the first person to meet Victor. And the way we met was that Victor called me directly, which was very unusual to receive a call from a student. Usually I receive calls from parents. So I knew right away that Victor wasn't a particularly brave and mature individual to be looking out for his rights in middle school. You don't see that as often. So that was very impressive, and that was an exciting moment to meet somebody that I knew right away, born advocate. Very exciting.
Thank you.
The other thing, let me just tell you, so when I went to meet Victor at his home, I saw the book he was reading, which was a novel by one of the people that writes a lot of lawyer novels. I can't think right now. Do you remember, Victor?
John Grisham.
John Grisham. A very big book, 600 pages. I saw the paper back there. We talked about it a little bit. We talked about his educational problems. When I went home to study the problems he was having with schools, not his educational problems. When I went home to study his school papers, the school was giving him accommodations saying he had a reading disability. And Victor didn't have any kind of reading disability. There were wrong assumptions being made about Victor's academic strengths based on people's observation of a physical disability. And I can't tell you, even though I do this work, how strongly impacted I was by saying, oh my gosh, he's been cheated. He is a great reader, and people were assuming that he did not read well. So I'll defer to Tara and Victor.
Well, I think I can pick up from that, because what I really saw was that Victor was courageous in the face of in the face of what Gail's talking about, which is people interrupting him when we were having meetings about what he needed, people not listening to him, and he just persisted with this incredibly gentle, calm, strong voice to say, look, this is what I need, and I need you to listen to me. And, I think what I've really seen working with Victor even since is that he is so generous with the rest of us in terms of helping all of us understand how to be better people and how to make sure that we're respectful. And he actually was incredibly generous in terms of giving time to work with me on a video to help lawyers understand how important it is not to make assumptions about persons with disabilities, and to really listen to what their clients might need in terms of accommodations and modifications. And when we showed the video at the end of the presentation, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of New Mexico came up and congratulated Victor, because he's just a powerful voice.
Well, thank you both. And without you guys, I would have never gotten where I was today. You guys added a really powerful voice to mine, and I could never thank you enough in all my life, so thank you guys for all your help.
Just on closing remarks, Victor, I understand our listeners can't see it out there, but you're wearing an amazing shirt today. Can you please describe it just for us a little bit and tell us what it means?
Well, the teacher I was just talking about at the end of my legal actions at the end of my 8th grade year, she first asked me what size I wore. I didn't know what it was for, and so I told her, and she went up, bought me this shirt, and she's an English teacher, and so she put the definition of my name on it, and the definition of my name just says, you're the winner in a struggle, and so that was really powerful to what I did throughout that year, and I just, and I cherished it. It's just a shirt, but I cherished it. I had it for 4 years, and it doesn't just describe me, it describes all the winners and all the battles and struggles. So that's what the shirt I'm wearing today. And I wore it just for today. I had it, worn it for a long time. And I thought today was the right day to wear it.
Thank you, Victor. Thank you, Gail. And thank you, Tara.